Hey guys, and welcome back to Plugin. This video is continuation for our previous video about Was This Helpful Pro plugin? In this video, we'll see how to analyze content quality in WordPress using Was This Helpful Pro. More about this later. For now, let's get started. Okay, so this is where we left. Let's continue from here. If you look at the top, you'll see positive reviews, negative reviews, and feedback report. If you click on positive reviews, then you'll see all the positive reviews that user or reader have given to your website. And if you click on View Feedback, then you can see all the details about the review. For example, you can see the page that you have received the review for, and you can see what's the feedback message they have written. You can see what's their username. And you can also see the date they have given the review. And same goes for negative reviews. If you click on that, you'll see all the negative reviews that your website have received. And by clicking on View Feedback, you'll see all the details. Now, suppose you want to see all the reviews at one place. For that, just click on Dashboard and scroll down a bit. And here you can see Dashboard Widget, where it's showing negative and positive reviews in pie chart form. You can see how many people have given reviews by hovering your cursor. And it also shows which page got most positive reviews and most negative reviews. You can also disable it if you like. You can also see positive and negative reviews by going to Pages section. If you look at the first one, which is Cart Page, it has 0 yes and 1 no, which means this page got 1 feedback in total, and that's a negative one. You can take a look at that feedback and improve your page accordingly, and same way you can check for every page. And you can also see reviews by going on those pages. Just click on View, and if you look at the top, you'll see this. Here it says 2 out of 2 found this page helpful, which means 2 people have given review and both of them have given positive review. You can also disable it. That is all there is to know. To get the statistics and analyze them to improve your content. And thanks for watching.